You may want to adjust a few of the settings on your iPad to make it more personalized for you. You can do this by tapping on the Settings app, and along the left side you'll be able to see all the categories within settings that you can adjust. A few that you might want to change include display and brightness, where you can decide if you like the light mode better or the dark mode to make it easier for you to read things on the screen. You can adjust the brightness of your screen. You can also adjust the amount of time for auto lock whenever your iPad is inactive before that auto lock kicks in and puts your lock screen on. And if you scroll down, you can also adjust the text size of text on your screen to make it larger or smaller. You may also want to adjust your settings for Homescreen and Dock. And here you can choose if you want to see more apps or icons on your screen or less but larger. So if you choose smaller app icons, you can see up to 30 icons per page. Or if you want to have bigger icons for your apps, you can have 20 apps per page. You can also turn on if you want the Today view to show up in your home screen, where you can see your schedule on the left side. And you can turn on multitasking, gestures, and being able to see your most recently used apps in the dock, where they'll show up on the right side of your dock. Wallpaper might be another area that you may want to adjust just to personalize your iPad a little bit more.